Hey guys, welcome to Motor Comic. So today the agenda is very simple. Sagar has bought a new wrap for his Z800. So me, Nitin, we're all going there to take sort of a video. He wanted a transition kind of video, so what we're going to do right now is shoot the first part, and once that is done, we'll go get the bike completely wrapped. And once the bike is wrapped, today evening we will get the second part of the video for the transition. So hopefully it comes out well. Right now the time is about 6:30 a.m. We're going to catch the sunrise and then shoot the video in sunrise. And just for reference, we are right now in the Bengaluru Nice Road toll. Today is Saturday morning. It's a weekend morning, so it's about damn time that all the super bikes come out. You can already see a few of them over there, Daytonas and a couple of Ducatis. So cut to the B-roll.
Just think about it right now. Everything's okay. No matter where you find yourself, no matter what kind of stuff is going on in your life, underneath it all, everything's actually all right. You're okay. You have more power than you might be giving yourself credit for. And if you have something that's going on in your life right now that's challenging, painful, it's just a reminder to take a little bit better care of yourself. Because you're worth it. You can have this feeling anytime you choose.
Alright folks, so I hope you like the B-roll. I believe I don't know, not sure. I haven't done the edit yet, so I hope I am going to do a good job with the B-roll edit. But anywho, so that's the sunrise edit completed. Now all we have to do is go get the bike completely wrapped with the new stickering kit that we bought. And once that is done, we will have another video shoot for the after, and that probably is at sunset. I'm not sure if we're going to do it today. If not today, we will get it done tomorrow, and then we will get the after photo shoot. Yeah, right. So once that is done, then we'll put up a complete transformation video online. Now we are at Citrus Trail Farm and Kitchen. So there's too much hype behind this particular resort. Let's go see what's inside. The place where conjuring hunger self.
There's a ladder also to go up, meet her body.
What the fuck? This is like it's giving vibes of Kerala with all this beautiful plantation. See, Pakumaram. I don't know what it is called in English.
Teak.
No.
Which one?
This thing, Vatala Pak.
Oh.
Meeta ban.
Beetle leaf.
Beetle leaf, yes.
Meeta pan. Itna bada meeta pan.
Itna bada meeta pan.
Oh, this tree is nice.
So nice it is. What is this? Pavakai? No.
Tea.
Tea, yes.
Coffee, sorry.
Coffee. Something.
ಕಾಫಿನ ಇದು?
Something that has kotta.
It is not coffee and tea also.
It's not. Is it something that has kotta?
Coffee plant. Coffee plant.
So that's what I told. Some kotta plant. So far so good. No pets allowed inside.
That is why it is not so flesh. Saga stay out, no pets.
He's wild animal, no?
Karadi from Banargata.
Anybody home?
It's locked.
So we are locked. What kind of service is this? Citrus, what is this, man?
Trail.
Citrus juice. Citrus trail. ऊपर
अभी 9 बजेगा आदमी आएगा.
आदमी आएगा. ठीक है भैया.
He said नीचे से ले. What does he mean?
Service bro said it is opening at 9. Now we are checking out more coffee plants. And that. This is where they shot Remo film. That proposal scene. Here only.
ಏನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ರೋಡು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಏನು ತೊಗೊಂಬರ್ತೀಯ?
Use dustbin, outside food and drinks not allowed. It looks like there's a pond here.
What?
And there are a lot of people there.
Zoom.
Big bamboo. So, the ambience is actually very nice. So it's not like all the Instagram reels were lying to us. It is fine. It's okay. We are approaching the pond. So legend says there are crocodiles and alligators and same species, a few more, whatever. They're all there. Electric eel. See, it's walking and going.
That is Karadi.
It's Karadi. Banargata down.
It has to go drink water now.
Going to drink water. Karadi is going to
We will
drink
show
water.
you how it's going to drink.
Yes. The resort is just an excuse for people to come here to eat something. The actual place is this. Like the ambience of this place. The lake. And there was also a big bamboo. That's what Nitin calls himself. What did he say? Look at them. The boys. Yeah. There are ducks.
Yeah.
Very nice. It says do not pluck flowers or anything else. Perverts, bro. Is this the forest area that you keep telling about? Look at that.
Yeah, they put fence and all.
ಅವ್ರು ರೆಸಾರ್ಟ್ ಜಾಗ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್.
Don't judge a book by its cover. See, they haven't watered the plants at all.
Don't judge a book by its cover.
Yes. Don't cover a book. Don't book a cover.
Don't
See, just because one flower is nice doesn't mean the entire plant is nice. See, they made sure to dig around it, but everything is vadi poichu.
No, it's chiggering.
Chiggering, that means
That you edit, okay? They say no.
Karadi is going to get inside the water. Karadi, get inside, catch a fish.
The Karadi is not drinking water because it thinks it is not clean.
Yes, and since it's out of its natural habitat, it is thinking twice.
Stream. That means it's a clean water.
Stream,
Karadi,
where?
drink.
Twitch or YouTube?
Hotstar.
Stream.
That is the big stream that is.
Nice. So that means this is clean water, right? Okay. Citrus trail, 1 point.
You might find this thing, chelu.
This is world class humor. Yabba.
Cold brews or hot beverages?
Cold beverages.
Citrus juice. Maintenance. You get one more point. So far so good. Everything is going fine. Let me just quickly mount the camera here. Let's go on. How much? How much? 90. Okay. That's the end of the vlog.
Price for exporting the coffee beans from here.
Say it again.
They're growing coffee here,
Ah.
and they take so much time or money for exporting coffee. 90
Yes.
rupees one coffee.
Cost of goods sold. Cost of production is too high. Citrus, everything is fine, man. But what the 90 rupees for coffee? Unacceptable. We are sadly going back for two reasons. One, because it is overpriced. Two, because we don't earn that much money. So, -1 mark for you. You didn't clear the exam. No. The people who want to come here, get some money, please. It's not like how we imagined. So we are going back to Bannerghatta. There will be 10-20 rupees chai, bun and all we'll get. We will go there and
And
eat.
Kara dosa and Sagar's house.
And Kara dosa, yes, in Sagar's house. Sagar is showing us a view. So, don't stand here, get out. Okay, so part 1 of the vlog is done. Once we get the entire wrap done on this bike, we will have another shoot, hopefully in sunset, but let's see if it happens today or tomorrow. Until then, see you next time. The second part of the video, right?
You can end the vlog then.
This is being recorded.
Yes.
Color, which color do you like?
Continue.